So what I'm going to do today is I've come down to the coast. This is a little bit cold up in the mountains where I live. It's about 8 degrees today. So I'm down on the coast and it's 15. It's got steadily warmer all the way down. It's a nice winter's day. It's the 5th of December today. So it's quite nice, blue skies, sunshine. Problem is, as soon as the sun goes down it's very, very cold, so you have to come out and do what you want and get back home before that happens. So I thought today we'd just come down to the coast, have a ride along through Calpe, Moraira, just potter along the coast a little bit, see what the view's like. And get a little bit warmer than I would be at home. Come out of Calpe, although the town stretches quite a long way. Between Calpe and Moraira there's urbanisations and beaches and little coves and things all the way along. There's one of the many coves there you can go down to. Lots of little coves, little car parks, cafes and things. I'm not ready for a coffee stop yet though. We'll carry on a little bit further. It's a lovely little bay just down here on Drago. I've been snorkeling and scuba diving quite a lot down there over the years. It's beautiful. That's Moraira Castle. It's one tiny little bit, but it's like a tiny little keep really. Nice Calpe rock. Okay, so we're going to head away from the main road a little bit and go to Portet, which is sort of part of Moraira, but it's a separate little place, a separate little bay. It's quite a nice little road to it. It's not fast, it's all town sort of speed limits, but it's a lovely view along there. There we go, there's Port of Moraira, or the little marina. This is Portet Bay. It's lovely down here in the summer. It's nice on Christmas Day as well. Normally a lot of the locals and expats alike come down here and swim on Christmas Day, and the beach is full of Santa hats. But I don't think that's going to be organised this year because of coronavirus, unfortunately, but we'll see. I think I'll give it a miss. I've done it a couple of times, but not this year. That's where we started in Calpe, and we've come all the way along the front, ending up coming through Moraira, past its castle, past the marina, and then down to Portet.